You really? Really?
It's signing up to register at Kohl's for gifts.
Gmail? Greg Bell. At GregBell.com.
Trying to register, and Greg says he's faster than me. It's a very intent look on his face.
Shut up. Next to you. I'm going to re-enter it.
Use your fingers, not your nail. The pad of your finger.
Don't worry about why I pat my fingers.
Ooh, you just...
Assistance to customer service kiosk, please. Customer service kiosk.
I don't need no customer service. I got this. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on.
Caps lock.
Go to cap lock.
I don't know. I think you're doing the wrong way.
You told me to start with this.
Really? Yeah. Open it? Yeah.
Hi. Oh, I pressed that. Oh. No, we're fine.
Thank you. Is this where? Is he doing it right to do register for weddings?
For wedding, you can do it because we have
Well,
to.
she's going to have to sign here first.
Yes, sign in here, and then you'll get all the.
Okay, cool.
Oh, wait. Let's show my ass.
I guess you're doing it right.
Yeah, I'll learn. I'm a man. I always do it right. Okay, submit. Sign up. Okay. Registration. Thanks. I missed.
You take